For this bell work, we have two angles that are corresponding. They're at different intersections, and they're in the same position. I'd say this is up and to the right, and the two lines are parallel. So that means this red angle, 8x minus 7, and this angle here, 9x minus 28 in purple. Since they are corresponding and the two lines are parallel, this tells us that they are equal to each other. Since they are equal, this means we're going to solve this with principles of equality. So I'll start by putting the x's on one side or zeroing out one set of these x's. And I just usually like to do it with the smallest amount, which is the 8x. So I'm going to be subtracting 8x. To zero that out. But if I do it to one side, I must also do it to the other side. Okay, and I'm not combining it with the minus 28 because this is an x term. I have to keep it combined with like terms. So 8x minus 8x becomes 0. My negative 7 here is going to drop, which now equals 9x minus 8x, which is 1x. And then the negative 28 also, it's going to drop. Last thing I need to do here, because my coefficient of x is already a 1, is to zero out the minus 28 or negative 28 by adding 28. But again, this is a principle of equality, so if I do it to one side, I got to do the other side as well. So plus 28 there, and negative 7 plus 28 is going to be positive 21. You can put that in the calculator if you need to. It equals the 1x, which I can drop, and negative 28 plus 28 zeroes out as planned. Now again, this coefficient is 1. I can make that a phantom 1 if I want, and that tells me the value of x, which was the whole point in the beginning. Now I can check, right? Remember, if I replace the x into both of these equations, I should get the same angle measurement. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go into my red angle here, which is 8x minus 7. But as of right now, I'm pretty sure the x value is 21. So I replace the x with 21, and I put this in my calculator. 8 times 21 minus 7, and this tells me this angle would be 161 degrees. If we've done this correct, then the other angle will end up being also 161 degrees. Let's find out. So the purple angle, 9x minus 28. But once again, we pretty sure the x is going to be 21, but let's find out. So now it's 9 times 21 minus 28. So in the calculator, 9 times 21 minus 28, enter. And yeah, this shows that this angle here is also 161 degrees. If they were different from each other, then I'd have to go back and figure out what the crap I did and what I need to fix. But these match, and this tells us that if you replace x with 21, you get a true statement. They're the same because they are the same because they are corresponding. But again, we just wanted the x value, not the actual angle measurements. That was just to check.